You have good news?
I just had the ring.
Imani's the star. That is so awesome. You've been waiting so long for this, right?
Yeah.
So is that so cool? You're the star of the week at school? Are you excited? So on your star of the week list, it says you have to do the All About Me poster. That's this poster right here.
And I have my picture.
And you got your picture. Yeah, that's from picture day at school, right? So this says, let me see the poster. It says All About Me, and then you're going to write your name here. And then it has questions that we have to answer. We'll go over the questions when we get to them. But we have cool questions. Nice ones down here, and a few more questions, and we're gonna color these little people, color everything, make it pretty. So what else do you get to do the week of Star of the Week? So you get to do this poster, and what else? What are these ponies here for? You get to bring your favorite toys. So you get to do this poster. You get to bring your favorite toy. Forgot to mention, aside from the picture that we're gonna put on her poster all about her, we had to bring in pictures of Imani and her family. So we just picked out a few pictures. Well, Imani
it's actually like 100.
It's 100. So Imani
have a little
actually
bit
picked
more.
all these pictures. I think she did a really good job picking like
And
family
one more.
pictures. She got
One
most of the
more.
family there. What's that one, Imani?
We have Halloween.
Oh, you on Halloween? And then we already showed that one. So yeah, just a couple pictures of Imani that she got for her family. All right. We're gonna make this so colorful and bright because we are so happy that you're the star of the week, Imani. Last week you was the line leader and now you're the star of the week. You know what else? You're the star of the week on the week of your birthday. That's awesome, right? Can I be the star of the week too?
Mommy.
Please, can I just do it?
Fine.
What now? Okay, so our picture, look at our pictures, guys. Our picture is almost done. We colored it, Mommy, Daddy, and Imani. We colored it nice and rainbow and happy. So, Imani, you still have to write your name up here, and you have to answer the question. So, which color do you want to write your name?
With these two colors.
Okay, cool. Right here on this line, it says, by the one and only Imani. All right, that's a great job, Imani. So I'm gonna ask you the questions, and you are gonna pick what color you want me to write the answer in. So you give me the color, and I'll write the answer for you, okay? All right, so Imani, it says, I am blank years old. How old are you?
5.
Okay, so give me a marker.
5 years
She's
old.
not 5, but she'll be 5 this Thursday, so we're just gonna put 5. So
5
Imani is
years
5
old.
years old. My birthday is
January the 1st.
January 31st. So what, can I use this color?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put 1,
2.
3, 1, and you was born in 2014. Preschool. You are in
Mommy, not
preschool.
gonna do that.
Preschool. My teacher is.
Miss Jordan, Misty John, and Miss Sue.
I get to school by
My mommy and daddy both.
Mommy and Daddy. Mommy
And dad.
and Daddy. Okay, these are the members of my family. Can I have the members of your family?
Eli and Josiah and Josiah. Eli and Josiah and mommy, my dad.
Okay, so we got, you said Eli. Who else?
Josiah.
Josiah.
Mommy.
Mommy.
And daddy.
All right, next question says, when I grow up, I would like to be. Whoa.
A police.
A police? That's what you want me to put? Okay. When I grow up, I would like to be a police. Police. It says, I show others I care by
Helping friends and caring my friends.
helping friends and caring. All right, that's a good job.
And
Imani.
caring.
Helping
And caring about friends.
and caring. Helping and caring, right? All right. I am a star because.
I'm the lovely girl.
Because what?
A lovely girl.
Because you're a loving girl? That was
A
good.
lovely girl.
A lovely girl? Okay, here. She said, I am a star because I am a lovely girl, right? Because I am a
Lovely girl.
lovely with the E. Because I am a lovely girl. Okay. Pink and purple. All right, it says Imani's favorite color is pink
And purple.
and purple. All right, your favorite animal is
Zoo animals.
zoo animals? All zoo animals?
No.
Okay. What? What's your favorite animal?
Monkeys.
Monkeys. Monkey. Okay, and your favorite food? Chicken nuggets.
No.
What is it?
Chicken.
No, I think it's pizza.
No, chicken.
Chicken?
And pizza.
Okay, so I'll put chicken and pizza. What is your favorite sport?
Basketball.
Basketball?
Yeah.
All right. So you said things you like to do at school is play with and make new friends, and things you like to do at home. Play with your brothers and play in your room by yourself. Okay.
And my mommy.
Okay. And I'm gonna just put family. Play with brothers. So I think we finished this up. Oh, also we forgot to let you guys know. Imani's has to take in her favorite toy. Your favorite toy. She's bringing in 2 of her ponies. She picked these special 2 out of 7, right? So we picked these 2 ponies, and then she also has to bring in her favorite book. So she picked.
It has like 6 stories.
Oh yeah, it has a lot of stories in there. And then again, this is the picture that we're gonna use. That's gonna go on her picture, so you guys can get a look at her poster. Final time. And then once you're done with that, we have all these pictures of her family.
I didn't see
Pictures.
this
Look
one.
at this baby one. That's the one you picked you and Bubs.
I didn't see
And then we have to write on the back of these pictures just a quick little sentence or who's in the picture, just to give her classmates an idea of her family. So that's it. Imani's the star of the week. She the star of the week. She the star of the week. Yeah. All right. So if you guys want to be the star of the week, make sure you be good at school, be on time for school. Don't be late. Be kind to all your friends. Help everyone out if they need help. No bullying. Be nice, and you could be the star like Imani, right?
Yeah.
You could be the star like Imani. You want to tell everybody?
Like, comment, subscribe, like this video.
Tell them, say,
Bye.
be good in school. Tell them, say, be good in school so you can be the star of the week.
Be good in school and like, comment, subscribe, like this video. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Post it.